Tired of being broke? Here's how to make your first $10,000. Let's be real, being a student is tough. You're juggling classes, maybe a side hustle, and trying to have some semblance of a social life, all while surviving on a shoestring budget. If you're tired of the cycle of being broke, stressed, and uncertain about your financial future, this video is for you. At 18, I had $0 to my name, no fancy degree, just this burning ambition to create a better life. Forget those lottery ticket dreams of getting rich quick. I'm talking about building real, sustainable wealth. The key to breaking free? Focus on earning your first $10,000. It's a psychological and financial milestone that proves you can generate real income. So, if I had to start from zero today with nothing but this laptop and my hustle, here's exactly how I'd do it, in 3 strategic steps. Step 1. Choose the right income stream. This is where most people trip up. They get seduced by flashy, get-rich-quick schemes like day trading or trying to time the crypto market. But let's be honest, those are highly speculative and require a lot of capital you probably don't have as a student. Instead of chasing the next Bitcoin, focus on building a solid foundation with a method that requires minimal upfront investment and generates consistent daily cash flow. Now, after testing dozens of side hustles and businesses over the years, there are 4 income streams that consistently outperform the rest. First, you've got in-person services. This could be anything from being a tutor, fitness trainer, or even offering freelance photography services. The key is leveraging your existing skills to provide value in your local community. Second, we have local products. Think about things like handcrafted jewelry, custom apparel, or even homemade baked goods that you can sell online or at local markets. Third, there's global products. This is where you tap into the power of e-commerce by creating and selling digital products like online courses, ebooks, or design templates, and finally, my personal favorite, online services. Step 2. Master the skill pyramid. Alright, so you've chosen your income stream. Now it's time to turn that skill into a $10,000 revenue machine. This is where the skill pyramid comes in. It's a simple framework that I've used to build multiple 7-figure businesses, and it all comes down to mastering 4 key elements. First, we have positioning. This is about becoming the go-to expert in your niche. You need to clearly define your target audience, identify their pain points, and craft a compelling offer that solves their problems better than anyone else. Next up is leverage. This is about working smarter, not harder. Instead of trading your time for money, look for ways to leverage tools, systems, and even other people to scale your efforts. The third element is reach. You can have the best product or service in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you're not going to make any money. And finally, we have automation. Chapter 3. Earning your first $10,000 is a massive achievement, but it's only the beginning. Now it's time to make that money work for you. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building long-term sustainable wealth. And that starts with investing wisely. Now, I'm not going to give you any financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor, but I can share with you what I'd personally do. Remember, investing always involves risk, so it's crucial to do your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. First, I'd secure a solid emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. This will give you a financial cushion to cover unexpected expenses and keep you from going into debt. Next, I'd start investing in low-cost index funds. This is a diversified, long-term investment strategy that tracks the performance of the overall market. And finally, if you're feeling adventurous, you can explore alternative investments like cryptocurrencies. Look, I get it, taking that first step can be scary. But trust me, your first $10,000 is the hardest, but also the most transformative. It's proof that you can create wealth from scratch, and it opens up a world of possibilities. So start today. Pick an online service, apply the skill pyramid, and invest your profits strategically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.